Hello guys, in this session, we are going to create our first report. Okay, now let's go and dive in here. So to create a report, so we are going to drill down in this project explorer. In this project explorer, we're going to see this first root folder, my reports, and then we can create a folder. Okay, so I'm going to create a new folder. New folder. I will create a demo report, demo report. Okay, so finish. So I will make it organized and put it here all the sample reports that we're going to create. Okay, now to create a report, just right click on that folder and then new Jasper report. Okay, here we're going to select a template for this report. You can select this kind of templates, but in our case right now, we're going to create a blank report. So, okay, select the blank report and then next. So, Jasper Server will ask you, will be asking you by where we're gonna save the report and the file name. Okay, so currently we are currently selected this demo report from reports folder. So it is selected by default, and then we're gonna change only this file name, say demo report. Okay, so next and then next. Now here in the data source, we're going to select the data source that we have configured. Okay, we're going to pull the data from our demo ERPNext database. So by default, it is empty, but we are going to select our database, which is ERPNext. Okay, select and then next. Okay, so let's wait for a while and then okay, provide query. Okay, okay, back. Sorry. So we selected the database ERPNext. Now we are going to uh, create a query here uh, to pull the report from the database. So here Jasper Studio is asking you what are the query that we are going to use. So okay, so I prepared a query from our database, this invoice. Now I will show you that data. Okay, so I created a sample record. Okay, so let's see, refresh. Okay, login. I will roll login. So straight over. So um, okay. Oh, okay. Not logging in. So new tab. Why you are not letting me in? Okay. Things anyway. I created a report. I created a record into our ERPNext, and that record is an invoice. I I pulled that from the table sales invoice. Okay, that is a sales invoice. I just get the header, the name or the invoice name. Actually, this is the what do you call it? Invoice ID or the primary key, the primary ID of the record, and the posting date or the date of the invoice and the customer. So this is the data that we pulled from the uh, database server from ERPNext. Okay, now I will just copy. I usually design the query from a tool, any tool that you like. Um, I use this Navigat, but you can use any tool that you like. So I just copy it, minimize it, and then go to our Jasper Studio, then paste it, and then next it will pull the data, which is these are the three fields that we pulled from the database from the tab, what do you call this? Tab sales invoice, table sales invoice. Okay, so I will select all the fields, next, and then do I need to group it by? Do I need to group the fields? So no. So I will just next, and then congratulations. And let's wait for a while. Okay, so here is our report. Now we are going to pull that data. So how do we going to get that fields? So okay, in this outline we can see that in our this is the hierarchy of the report. So we are the top, the root one is our demo report, the name of the report, and we there is a parameters and the fields here. So we are going to pull the fields. So I can only just drag and drop that data. See, so it's easy to create a report. So drag and drop. So I will just arrange it for a bit. Okay. Now we have the only purpose of this demo is to show you how we can utilize the Jasper report, how fast we can create that report. Okay, 15. So wait, I'm changing the size, the height of the size. So okay, so now I'm also changing these sizes. I just want the height to be 15. So anything you like, if whatever you require, you can just adjust the field size, the height. Then I will just double click it just to what do you call this? To reduce and fit the size according to the field's size. And then now you can select and put some header in this side. So this is header, double click for okay. That the field? No, it shouldn't be a field. So static text for this double click, and this is header. Okay, so easy. So just click it, just change the layout in the center, then just move for a little bit. Oh, okay, so just change the size, whatever size you like. So increase it if you would like. Then size if you like. Then save. So now let's preview the report. Okay. And voila. Gets the data from the database. Okay, let's change a little bit. So we don't need this header. You can just select just click it to select. This is the indicator that it is the title is selected, and then you can press delete, then it's gone. So summary, I don't need it, just select and then delete. The column footer, uh, just select it and delete. So that's the only thing I need. So save. Save. All right. So we have the report. Now, we are going to deploy the report to the server. So we have already designed the report. Say, for example, it's finished, it's done. We have already created our masterpiece. Now, we are going to deploy the report to the server. Okay, let's check the server first. We are going to the server. Let's plug in Jasper Min. Okay. We don't have any report here yet. Okay, so this is the default. I mean, see here. This is the default reports that is inside the sample report, the default sample report in here and Jasper server. So we are going to add some reports here. Okay, so let's go back to our Jasper Studio and let's deploy this. Just a single click, publish. So we are going to publish the report. So we are going to select the server. Our server is our demo server, right? So, okay, so select the server, we can drill it down. So this is where we're gonna deploy the report. So this is the report folder that we are seeing here. And the interactive is this one. So we are going to deploy the report in this area only. So in the root folder, the report. Okay. You can create a folder if you'd like here. Uh, So, but for now, I'm just going to deploy the report from the root folder. Okay, so this is the name of the report, demo report. Going to deploy it there. Next. So next is in the wizard, Jasper Studio is asking you what is the data source, which data source they are going to use. So we are going to select the data source from the repository. The repository means the setup that we have created here. This is the repository. This is the repository data source. So we are going to use the repository data source from Jasper server. Okay, so let's go there and select. Okay, so data source, demo, ERPNext DB. This is this one. This is the data source. Okay, we are going to select that. Okay, next, finish, select that, and then finish. So after we select that and then finish, so success. Now let's go and check the data, the server. So we are going to go to this, and there we go. The report is here. Click the report, and voila, beautiful. So we deployed our first report. We can download it in PDF if we'd like. So save. Okay, we can open the downloaded report. And awesome, right? So this is your first report. That's the basic one. Once you learn this, you're done. So the next video, we're going to integrate ERPNext to pull this report and display it to the browser. Okay, so see you in the next video.